Are the Corsair K100 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard good? The Corsair K100 RGB offers a feature set with media controls, macro keys, and a lot of RGB to rival that of the best gaming keyboards. The Corsair K100 RGB costs $229, £229, 379 Australian dollars, almost double the cost of the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum at $199, 179 pounds, 349 Australian dollars. It is available with either Corsair OPX optomechanical switches or Cherry MX speed switches. OPX switches offer a 1mm actuation point, a 45 grams actuation force, and a 3.2 mm travel distance, which is quite short in comparison to the Cherry MX red switches. By combining these fast switches with a 4000 Hz polling rate, your computer can register keystrokes very quickly. Optimally, a short 1mm travel is paired with the 45 grams actuation force, which responds fast, but is not so easy to press down that we make keystrokes if we rest our fingers on the keyboard. The difference between 1000 Hz and 4000 Hz is minimal. When playing Ghost Runner, perhaps one of the twitchiest recent games, our inputs are relatively quick and responsive, but even at high frame rates and low response times, we can hardly notice the impact of 4000 Hz. In Call of Duty Warzone, we are able to hammer away on the F key to pick up loot on the ground, and we are not frequently plagued by mistakes due to not raising the key far enough. Corsair has achieved something truly commendable with its keycaps. Corsair has responded to the criticism by stabilizing the keys in a manner that we do not often see on mechanical keyboards. Our only observation is that larger keys, Shift, Enter, Backspace, etc., squish a bit more when bottomed out. The Corsair K100 RGB is constructed around a sturdy aluminum top plate. Cable routing is provided underneath to facilitate USB pass-through. The height adjustment legs provide 2 levels of adjustment, and the strong grips are even upgraded from the K95 RGB Platinum, now featuring a more luxurious cushion. While the K95 Platinum featured a light strip just across the top edge of the keyboard, the K100 features it around both sides of the keyboard, providing 44 zones of controlled illumination. In order to utilize some of the K100 RGB's unique features, you will need to use one of the most difficult peripheral softwares, Corsair iQ. It is not terrible, but it is very hard to use, and quite large, at 1.5 GB. The K100 RGB's extra features are somewhat obscured by its reliance on iQ, a 1.5 GB piece of software. Stream Deck integration, which is an additional installation, adds some special functions to the 6 macro keys at the left edge of the keyboard. However, the wheel at the top of the keyboard requires iQ to customize, and thus its usability will vary depending on the software. For example, it will not scroll through tracks on Winamp or Groove Music.